What's the thing called again? Inaitwa?
Nini hiyo?
Hii base itongaje? What's up guys, it's El.P here. Today we're looking at the Nissan Tiida Latio. This was the car that replaced the B15 Nissan Sunny. The first gen of the Tiida was manufactured from 2004 to 2012, where there was second and third gen, but this one was called the Nissan Pulsar, which we did not get here in our country, but it took up the Tiida name in other markets. The Tiida was sold as a 5-door hatchback and a 4-door sedan in different markets with different names, like the Nissan Versa, Dodge Trazo, Nissan Latio, and so forth. It bridged the subcompact and compact car classes, acting as the intermediate model between the smaller Micra, which is the smaller Nissan March, and the larger Bluebird Sylphy, and central models within the global Nissan portfolio. The Tiida hatchback was also replaced by the subcompact Nissan Note, and the sedan or saloon front by the subcompact N17 platform, which had cars like the Almera, the Sunny, the Latio, and the Versa, and the B17 platform that had the Nissan Pulsar Sylphy Sentra engine. So getting into the back, I like the way the boot opens with just a quick touch and goes up. No gas strut, but still how it's been made is quite interesting. You just have it go up like that, like effortless. I like that. The boot is sizable. I can enter in here and be quite comfortable. So if you get hijacked and put here at the back, just be ready to enjoy your stay in your new suite. If I put my hand at the back of the back seat, my hand comes all the way to my shoulder, so it's quite sizable, as you will see. When you open the lower part, that's where you get your spare wheel, which is a donut, as usual with these cars, for temporary use. And that's mostly all you get here in your boot. No extra storage that's hidden anywhere or anything. Just soft felt material that's covering the interior. Getting into the back of the Nissan Tiida. Ooh, I like how that door sounds. It sounds solid. I have, wow, so much space, so much. Nissans know how to make use of space. So I have ample headroom. If I sit dead straight, I still have, let me say, about space for my hand to pass through. I'm about 6 foot tall, so I fit pretty well here. The seats are quite wide and comfortable. Oh my, damn. Yeah, it's comfortable. It's comfortable. The windows are quite large. You have your armrest here with the soft touch material, the leather type of material. I think you have an armrest to put your hand on, so you just have to keep your hands to yourself in this car. Though the outer passengers have armrests on the door handle. Your door cards are quite small, so just for small documents or snacks like chocolates or something. Down here you have 2 cup holders for the rear passengers. To just show you how wide or how big this car is, I have to lean that far to get to the cup holders. So you have ample amount of space. There are no connectivity ports in this car, so it's just you and yourself. So if I sit at the center, your transmission tunnel is not so big, so it goes quite well. And as I said, the window goes all the way down, so that's amazing. For children or people who feel claustrophobic, can sit here and enjoy the breeze and the ambience as they are. Side is not automatic going back up or going down, so you have to keep your hand there as it goes up. Again, the center guy has ample space. The transmission tunnel is not too wide, so I can sit here, I have space for my feet, The other two guys have space for themselves. For 3 adults at the back, it's a bit of a squeeze, but you live with it. You live with it. You will survive, and you get to love your neighbor. Get to love your neighbor. It's more of a city car, so you don't have anchor points to hold yourself as you're going off-road or anything. So it's just a city tarmac car for driving each and every time. And I enjoy sitting here. It feels really nice. You get cloth seats. You get a headrest, which most cars don't have these days in this level of car. And yeah, it's pretty nice. Getting in, actually, before I get in, let me just do the Nissan test to see how far the seat will come forward. Guys, look at that. Like, yo, as I said, kids can drive these cars, and it's quite up, so you have a lot of space to do whatever you want to do. So back in my place, get in. I like the sound of that door. Tiida, whoever made these door latches, big ups. That's another thing I forgot. To take back your seat, to recline it, your seat controls are on this side of the seat. Actually on both sides, not on this side. So to move it down is that, and to recline it is that. Because this side, the space has been taken up with your door pockets. They're quite wide, and they've come all the way to your seat. So that's that. Another thing I've noticed is the visibility. The windows are quite big, quite wide. You have that blind spot placed there, so I can see whatever is on that area, or what car or what animal or child is in that spot of my blind spot. Another thing is that it's airy. It feels airy. I have ample head space, leg space. It feels bigger than the Nissan Note. If you haven't seen the view of the Note, click up here. I'll put it there, and it feels nice. Yeah, and having that option to move your seat so close and so far from the steering wheel is a plus. Another thing is you have 10 cabin spaces. So you have one here for coins. You have another one under the steering wheel. There's another one with your 2 cup holders here just in front of your gear shift selector. You have another one here with your at the center bin. Another on top of your radio system, your sunglasses holder, and the last one is your glove compartment. So 10. Oh, plus the two that are on your door pocket. So that's 10 just at the front. And the rear guys have small things. We don't care about them. We care about the front guys. As I just to tell you. Yeah, everything else is okay. You have soft touch material on your handrest on the door here. The top part is plastic. The bottom part is plastic. Everything else around is plastic. But you get what you get. So yeah, that's for the front. So guys, as the other one in the Note, look at this. I've been told there's been a full cake put in here, and guys couldn't even know there's a cake in here. So if you guys are the people who put cakes in this glove box, let's know tumewajua sasa. We'll be looking for cakes in your glove box. That's how far it goes. It's nearly taking in my whole arm, like guys, deep. And yeah, but again, don't put your babies in here. Haven't watched that video? I'll put it up here, so check it out. And as you guys already know, this is a running car, so don't mind the dirt on the engine. For engines, you got 3 petrol engines, a 1.5, a 1.6, a 1.8 liter engine. For diesels, you got a 1.5 liter engine. The transmissions you got was a 5-speed manual, a 6-speed manual, or a 4-speed automatic CVT. And if you look at this car nicely, you can see similarities in the engine with the different platforms in the other cars, like the Note and the Sylphy, so forth. So before I finish, guys, something I noticed when I was inside the back seat of the door is how it was closing. It's how a big told the Tiida has soft close, so you open and you just let it and it closes by itself. Look at that. No need to bang your doors. So if you have guys or a passenger banging your door, kick them out. So that you're in a rush, you leave and you go. And it locks by itself. So yeah, fun fact about the Nissan Tiida is that soft close. In conclusion, the Tiida generally has only haters on the looks front. But once you get the haters inside to see what you get as a package as a whole, they then cut it some slack. With a spacious roomy interior, lots of storage spaces, great fuel economy, reliability plus a cheap to run car. Now you get why the resale value stayed up after all these years. Nissan keeps surprising me. Though, to solidify this statement, I will need to try out the newer Nissan models to see if the recipe continues with the Nissan brand or not. Thanks once again if you've come this far in the video. If you have a car that you're proud of, send me a text and we can organize to feature it in this channel. Other than that, hit the like button to help me know you like the content, and smash the subscribe button if you haven't already. It's free. And don't forget to share with your cool friends. Cheers, and see you guys on the next one.